everyone. I am Dennis Crafters and today we are going to present our rainwater harvesting model. Our project includes how rainwater can be collected, filtered, stored and reused. Now before we start with the water presentation, let's understand that water is one of the most essential natural resources. But increasing population, urban development and growing water demand, the availability of fresh water is becoming limited. Many people of India are dependent on groundwater, while a large amount gets wasted as surface runoff. Let us now understand our problem deeply as I call Ujjwal.
In many cities and towns, people depend on groundwater as they just said. On average, one person must require around 135 liters water per day for domestic purposes. In areas like Haryana, groundwater level has significantly dropped at some meters. At the same time, Sonipat receives 600 to 700 millimeters of rainfall every year, but most flows away. Now I would call Yakshit. Therefore, we went through our PBL project and understood how simple and locally applicable method can help conserve water. So we choose rainwater harvesting as our model.
Evening everyone, today we have made rainwater harvesting model. So there is a model of house and we have kept here water is collected and the water goes to the filtration tank. In this tank water is filtered and after that they to storage tank and the water is stored. When the water is overflowed in this, that goes to a well and we can also call overflow tank. After this, the overflow water is used for the irrigation and drinking purpose.
So, now before I conclude, let me tell you that the impact of rainwater harvesting model, if it is adopted in every house, there are around like 3 lakh people living currently in Sonipat, just Sonipat. And if we consider that there are 4 people per household, so we can say that there are almost 75,000 houses. And if we see that if all of them adopt rainwater harvesting, they could, for an area of 100 square feet, they could collect around 65,000 liters of rainwater. But that is only for one house. If we consider for all houses, that would be 4.5 billion liters of water. And now the point comes affordability. So if we even consider that only 50% of the household can use this, so then also it is around 2.25 billion liters of water, which is 225 crore liter in Indian numeration. Now at last, to conclude, I would like to say that this rainwater harvesting model tells us how water can be reused, collected and filtered. And if adopted in homes, schools and communities, such system can help recharge groundwater and make a more sustainable and responsible way of living. So at the end, I would like to say that let's take an oath to become the change you create from the rain you capture. Thank you and have a nice day.